We are in Sweden and we do used equipment inspection training. What we inspect today is a Volvo excavator EC360 VLC. Very interesting machine. The outside condition is fair. The undercarriage looks more or less worn. Very interesting to see the boom of the machine. It has been rewelded already. And much more interesting is the crack here. Front window is cracked and sticked in. So it's not longer possible to remove the front window. The hydraulic cylinder is gone, leaking. Pins missing, pins loose. The truck shoes are worn. The electronic systems of the machine are not working, it's just running in low idle. And you need to switch off the electronic adjuster to manual that you can use the machine. It's also part of our business to do inspection training for Caterpillar dealers. In this case here we are in Sweden and the people do an inspection of a machine, try to figure out the condition, and we educate them how to find all the problems. Some of the greaser lines are destroyed. Here the original pin is missing and the cylinder is damaged. Leaking. The bucket all in all is in a poor condition. Okay, so this was the radio. This is a look at the electronic stuff. The cab is dirty. There are warm lights going. And it's all over dirty and worn. The blade, the cylinder pin on one of the lift cylinders. And now I have a look at the steering. Looks really already terrible, but the idler is in a good position. What does it tell us? Obviously the customer has taken out truck links to make the truck still running, and here you have washouts, so the carrier rollers are gone. And also the bottom rollers are in a terrible condition.